Hey everybody, I have got your Dollar General 5 off 25 scenarios for this Saturday. So if you're interested in how we can spend under $10 after cashback and coupons, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It's super easy, free. Just click the subscribe button, click that bell, and set it to all notifications so you don't miss a single deal. Right, y'all, make sure you clip your 5 off 25 or have your paper 5 off 25 for these deals.
$5 off. That's only on Saturdays if you spend 25. Right.
All right, y'all, scenario 1. Here you have the $2 off Mr. Clean Magic Eraser coupon clipped. Grab the 3-pack refills of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Make sure you got your $1 Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner clipped. Grab a $4 cleaner, and after the digital, they'll be $3. Next item, make sure you clip the cashback offer on Brownie. Then grab a 2-pack of the Brownie paper towels. They're $5. Next, make sure you have the $2.50 Cascade coupon clipped, and grab one of the Cascade packs that are $5.15. Now make sure you have the $1 off Clorox coupon clipped, and grab one of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners at $2.75. Next, I'm grabbing one of the Dawn Power Wash. These are $5. Make sure you have the $2 digital clipped. In this breakdown, I don't know why, but I forgot to put the prices on here, so just bear with me. We're going to buy one Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 3-pack, one Mr. Clean Liquid Cleaner, one Brownie 2-pack paper towels, one Cascade Action Packs, one Clorox Toilet Cleaner, and one Dawn Power Wash. Our subtotal is $25.15. I made an error on this one. Don't subtract $2 for Brownie. That's cash back. And the funny thing is, I never even calculated it. Anyway, we got 5 for Saturday coming off, 2 for Mr. Clean, 1 for Mr. Clean, $2.50 for Cascade, $1 for Clorox, and $2 for Dawn. Alright, we've got $13.50 in coupons coming off. We're going to pay $11.65, and then we're going to earn $2 cash back from Brownie, dropping that down to around $9.60 for everything, or just $1.60 each for 6 items. Scenario 2. We're going to grab the Smucker's Squeeze Strawberry Jelly. These are $3.50. Just make sure you have this $1 off coupon clipped. Also, go ahead, clip this Jif $1 off coupon, and grab the 16-ounce peanut butter for $2.85. I tossed in a loaf of Clover Valley bread for $1.50. We don't have any coupons on this or anything. I just figured most people need bread in their house, right? Y'all, clip this $2.50 off Maxwell House coupon. The next item we're tossing in is the coffee, priced at $8.50. Next thing I'm grabbing is 4 of the North Sides. They're on sale 4 for $5 this week. Make sure you clip this $1 coupon. We will pay $4 for 4. Next thing I'm grabbing is 2 of the $1 packs of Gushers. Sure that your 50 cents off 2 coupon is clipped. Next thing we're adding is a Bumblebee chicken salad little boxed kit. Just make sure you clip the 25 cents off digital coupon. Here's our breakdown. We're buying 1 Jif peanut butter at $2.85, 1 Smucker's jelly at $3.50, 1 Clover Valley bread at $1.50, 1 Maxwell House coffee at $8.50, 4 North Sides for $5, 2 Gushers for $2, and 1 Bumblebee tuna for $2.25. Bumblebee tuna. So our subtotal is $25.60.
Bumblebee tuna?
Now we're going to subtract our $5 for Saturday, $1 for Jif, 1 for Smucker's, $2.50 for Maxwell House, $1 for Knorr, 50 cents for Gushers, and 25 cents for
Bumblebee tuna?
We have $11.25 in total coupons coming off. We're going to pay $14.35. That's 8 items for about $1.79 each. So not my cheapest out-of-pocket deal, but still great for, household food, items that you might need already. Scenario 3. Y'all pick up one of the Febreze small spaces in the holiday scents. These are on clearance right now for, I believe, $1.63. We have this $2.30 off of one digital coupon. If you're at a newer system store with no keyboard at the checkout, your coupon is going to just adjust down to $1.63 and you'll get your item for free. Or if you're at an old system store that still has the keyboards at checkout, you will be able to get overage on your order. So just keep that in mind. One of the Glade holiday scents. Make sure you're scanning to confirm that these are $1.13. Be sure to clip this $1 cashback offer. We can do this 5 times in one transaction, meaning we're going to pay 13 cents after cashback for our Glade air freshener spray. Go ahead, grab one of the 2 packs of the Fall Night Long refills from Glade. These are $3 right now, but we do have a $2 cashback offer. We can use this 3 times in one transaction to earn back 6. Next thing we're grabbing is one of the Glade plug-in warmers plus a refill. We've got a $2.50 cashback offer. We can use it 3 times in one transaction if we choose. We are going to pick up the $4 bottle of Purex next. Just make sure you clip this $1 cashback offer. This is a limit of 1. Next item is the Purex crystals. These are $4.35. Make sure you clip this $1 cashback offer. It is a limit of 1. Next, we're going to grab our Snuggle dryer sheets. This is the 40 count for $2. Make sure you clip this 50-cent cashback offer. Thing we're grabbing is the Bic Soleil Escape razors. These are $6. Make sure you clip the $3 cashback offer. Well, here's the breakdown. 1 Febreze small spaces, $1.63. 1 Glade spray, $1.13. 1 Glade 2-pack refills, $3. 1 Glade warmer with refill, $3.75. 1 Purex detergent, $4. 1 Purex crystals, $4.35. 1 Snuggle dryer sheets, $2, and 1 Bic razor at $6. Our subtotal is $25.86. Now we're going to subtract our coupons. We've got 5 for Saturday coming off, $2.30 for Febreze, and this is at an old system store with the keyboard at the register, okay? If you're at a new system store with no keyboard at the register, you're only going to save $1.63, which is the price of the product, okay? Anyhow, that's $7.30 in coupons coming off. We're going to pay $18.56, but we're going to earn cash back. We're going to earn $1 cash back from Glade, $2 cash back from Glade, then another $2.50 cash back from Glade, 1 cash back from Purex, 1 cash back from Purex crystals, 50 cents cash back for Snuggle, and $3 cash back for razors. They're earning $11 cash back, so $18.56 was what we spent after we earned $11 back. Our new out-of-pocket is around $7.56. That means we're getting 8 items for 94 cents each. Scenario 4. We're going to grab one of the VitaFusion gummies in the vitamin C. These are $5.50 on sale right now. Make sure you clip this $3.50 off digital coupon. We're going to grab some Centrum vitamins. They have several different kinds and they are $8.65 right now. Just make sure that you clip this $4 off digital coupon. Next, we're going to grab the travel size Dove Men Plus Care deodorant. This is $5. Just make sure you clip the $3 digital coupon. Next, we're going to grab a 4-pack of Angel Soft toilet paper. It is on sale for $3.75 right now. Make sure you clip this $1 digital coupon so we can pay $2.75. Lastly, grab this Arthritis Hot Pain Relief Cream. This is $4 and we have a $3 off Aspercream coupon that attaches. Make sure that is clipped. All right, y'all, here's the breakdown. 1 VitaFusion Vitamin C, $5.50. 1 Centrum Vitamins, $8.65. 1 Dove men's deodorant, $5, 1 Angel Soft at $3.75, and 1 arthritis cream at $4. Subtotal is $26.90. We're going to subtract our $5 for Saturday, $3.50 for Vitafusion, $4 for Centrum, $3 for Dove, and $3 for Asper Cream. That's $19.50 in digital coupons coming off. We are going to pay $7.40, and that works out to be 5 items for around $1.48 each. Scenario 5. Right, for this one, we are grabbing 2 of the Axe deodorant. Make sure you have this $5 off 2 digital clipped. It does expire today. Next, grab a pack of the Moist and Meaty Burger dog food. These are on sale for $5.50. We do have a $2 cashback offer, meaning we will only be paying around $3.50 after we get that $2 cash back. Next, we're grabbing the Dial Vanilla Honey Hand Soap. This is $1.50. Just make sure you clip this 50-cent cashback offer. And then I'm throwing in 3 of the Alka-Seltzer Fizzy Melts. These are the 4-count. These are the Upset Stomach Relief. They are $2.25 each. Just make sure you clip this $1.50 cashback offer because we can do this 5 times in one transaction if we choose to. Well, here's the breakdown. 2 Axe deodorant, $11.50. 1 Moist and Meaty dog food, $5.50. 1 Dial hand soap, $1.50. 3 Alka-Seltzer Fizzy Melts, $6.75. Our subtotal is $25. We're going to subtract our $5 Saturday coupon and our $5 for Axe. That's $10 in coupons coming off. We're going to pay $15, but we're then going to earn back $2 for Moist and Meaty, 50 cents for Dial, and $4.50 for our Alka-Seltzer Fizzy Melts. That's $7 cash back we are earning, meaning our out-of-pocket is only around $8 after our cash back. That is 7 items for around $1.15 each. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I truly appreciate you sticking it out till the end. I hope you're able to put together some fantastic 5 off 25 deals for this Saturday. Alright y'all, I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys!